What's going on, everyone? So it has been quite some time since we posted a video here on the channel, about 3 months or so. I have been super busy with work and a couple other things going on here or there that you guys will definitely find out within the next video or so. So definitely stay tuned for that. So today's video, we're going to be talking about SI drive here in a Subaru, what it is, going over the 3 different drive modes. We're then going to be taking a ride here in my car to see how it acts and responds. And then I will be putting together 2 giveaways at the end of this video. So be sure to stick around until the end. SI is Subaru Intelligent Drive. So the 3 drive modes that we have here are Intelligent, Sport, and Sport Sharp. So the basic difference between these are torque and throttle response, and not horsepower, which is a common misconception between what these drive modes actually do. It is pretty much a throttle mapping or a throttle remapping between each of these drive modes here. So here in Intelligent mode, you're going to be getting a smooth and gentle ride, the most comfortable ride drive mode, as well as the most fuel efficient drive mode. I do put myself on Intelligent mode when I'm just cruising around, daily driving throughout my work day and such like that. But then once we obviously want to have some fun, Sport and Sharp. So tapping into Sport mode here, you're going to get a better acceleration and response, and it definitely does well in all types of conditions. So it's a little step up from Intelligent mode, if you'd like to say. Swiping our way to the right here on Sport Sharp mode, that is where you're going to get your most powerful option to really unlock the full potential of your car. And let me tell you, it is quite fun. So those are pretty much and briefly the differences between Intelligent, Sport, and Sport Sharp. So we're gonna hop in, go for a little ride here in my Stage 2 08 Legacy GT and see how the different drive modes hold up. So quickly before we head out, I do know that some people actually make separate tunes for each one of these 3 drive modes, which is really cool and versatile. And mostly on my car are the PSI or the boost thresholds, which are really cool. So let's get up and go for a ride. So saying that this car runs like a night and day difference does not even do it justice. So coming here to SI drive, driving in Intelligent mode, it basically cuts back and limits your power to about 5 or 6 PSI. Can't complain, it's not really a bad daily driver. But anyways, if you do want to have some fun, put that in Sport mode here with about 15 to 16 PSI, and this thing boogies pretty well. So if you're looking for even more fun here, click that to the right into Sport Sharp mode to unlock 19 to 20 PSI. Yes, it's really fun to get into that Sport Sharp mode, but I'm not trying to drive the car and put that stress on the engine all the time. But I definitely do, time after time, push that right into Sport Sharp and have a blast. So this car, again, it's not anything crazy, no crazy horsepower numbers here. So we are here right now in Intelligent mode. When I click it into Sport mode, I'm going to show you guys in just a second. Maybe I'm not sure you're not going to be able to feel it, but just to see the difference, I'm not even going to really put any more pressure or apply any more pressure to the gas pedal. But putting it into Sport Sharp, it's like, boom, hello, you have a turbo. So we're going to go into Sport right now. I didn't even push the gas pedal there. It just like wants to go almost all the time. So even in 5th gear, this thing picks up still pretty good. I remember when I was on either the just completely stock or on a Convax Sport tune, being in 5th gear was still pretty sluggish. Now, you really don't have that problem whatsoever. So let's get into Sport Sharp here and do a quick pull. Oh my God. Sport Sharp literally boogies like crazy. It just feels really good to be still just pulling really nice. So if you're wondering why your car may not have SI drive, I believe this is exclusive to any 2008 and above Legacy GTs, Subaru WRXs, and STIs. So if you are just a stock car, it is subtle, but you can definitely tell the differences and feel in these 3 different drive modes. But once you do start modifying your car, they become a lot more present, and it is really cool to mess around with. And like I said, you can have your tuner set yourself up to be 3 different tunes in each of these drive modes, which is super cool. So anyways, that is pretty much what SI drive is. So huge thanks to Matthew over at Diamond Works Australia for not only providing content for today, but also a giveaway for you all. So this is the Diamond Works SI Drive knob cover. So let's open this up here. and exactly what it said to be. This is a knob cover that's made of really nice material. Once that focuses, if it's gonna focus. There we go. It's made of really nice material here. Nothing too heavy, but it is a definitely good feel, and it gives a good look to your knob here. What? So there are 3 little pieces of 3M tape here that you're just gonna peel off the red backing to, and then just make sure you line that up to look good. Slap it down, and boom, there you go. So this is a simple piece that adds a really nice, clean, sleek, and classy touch here over the existing OEM SI drive knob. So if you are interested in one of these and you do have SI drive here in your Subaru, I am giving away 2 of these. All you have to do are subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also comment down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't already know what SI drive was, and if it was just a nice refresher or checking out how my car responds with SI drive, I just want to thank you all again for watching this video. If you're stopping by for the first time, please hit that subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, please slap that like button. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Take care.